Righto. Hey guys, we're just doing some milling. I've already made a fair bit of dust using the Holzfforma G372 XP with my custom muffler on it, and using a Neotech chainsaw mill, or Alaskan mill as it might also be known. We picked this wood up about 2 weeks ago, but we've had a fair bit of storm, so it's been hard to get to. Luckily it hasn't cracked quite yet. It's been quite wet out here, but it is some really, really beautiful wood. Australian silky oak. Bloody awesome. Needs a bit more tuning. Keeps breaking up too much.
Yep.
I need a different carb because, like I said, that's maxed out. That's on the bottom.
Yeah, okay.
It won't tune any further. Give that a brush, yeah.
That cut a lot better. There's still that little bit of chatter in it.
Yeah, that's just from me. What do you call it? Moving.
Yep.
You'll notice when it's only when I shimmy along.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother just with one person pushing.
Yeah. Yeah, because you can even out pressure.
Yeah.
And I know just how much to give it.
Yep.
Because
yeah,
I'm on and off the throttle, trying to keep an even kind of go to it.
Yep.
So when it digs in real hard, that's when I give it a bit more.
Yeah, you can back off and
then when it starts screaming again, I can back off just a touch.
Yep.
What did we say? 1 3/4?
No, go 2.
Go 2 inch?
Yeah, gives you that little bit more.
Yeah.
To take down. It'll be just over 2 inches then. Because we got like a tape back. We cut those other ones right on 2, I think.
Was it?
Yeah. Where'd the tape go?
I thought it was 2 and 2.
No, that went up to 60.
Oh no, yeah, that's right, because we're at 60, so we went down to 50.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
Where'd the, oh, right there.
Should have gone on Specsavers, mate.
Should have. Yeah, see, that's it. Yeah, they went 45 mil.
Yeah. So you can sand a bit out of them, yeah.
And we went to, oh, what was it? That was 1 3/4. Yeah, that's about right.
2?
Yeah, so go. Yeah, go 2.
Right.
Might end, worst case, we'll end up with like
a little bit thinner, but it won't really matter too much.
No.
Because we won't have to sand these out as bad.
No, they're a lot finer.
Yeah. No. Now that we've got the idea.
Does look good. Still wet as hell though.
Hey?
Still wet as.
Yeah, I know. So I'll cut up some. We'll get some sticks.
Oh, there's boards up the back there we can use.
Alright, as stickers.
Yeah, they're treated though.
That doesn't matter. It won't matter. Look, worst case it'll just self-treat.
Look at the CCA, never hurt no one, eh?
No, exactly.
Hey, I was standing up those boards for your tails.
Yeah.
Had
that
no,
would be great,
had no
yeah.
mask or anything on.
We should be wearing masks. So, you know, like the ones we wear at work for welding. because breathing in this is not great. I'm breathing it right in, so my throat's burning, but I didn't bring a mask.
Just a bit of two-stroke never hurt no one.
No, exactly. It smells good. Doesn't taste too great, you know.
Yeah, not real crash off.
No. My sciatica's killing me.
Hey?
Sciatica's killing me.
Oh, come on, mate. You're 20, what, 3? Old man?
Yeah.
Where's it? Oh.
What you get for abusing your body, eh?
Does happen. Oh, that's... How thick do we end up at that?
Oh, God, that's better. They come out quite nice, actually.
Yeah, so you're at 55 and that's on 2, so...
We got a pretty deep sap line,
Yeah.
but it's real pretty.
It looks good, yeah.
Yeah, especially here. You get that bubbly kind of look.
Yeah.
And then it comes back into the swirl.
That'd be getting the heart of it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you're getting to the pith now. Yeah, so next cut will be in the pith, because that's pith there.
Yeah.
Pith is the weaker wood, so it might
Yeah.
snap in half.
I wonder if there's a way we can sort of...
Yeah, we're pretty even. We've got good height.
We don't exactly have pick an axe, any axe.
Pick an axe, any axe.
Just can't get it confused. One's superior.
Yeah.
Made in the same factory though.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Yep.
Still, you can see where it's gripping it.
Yeah. Is it to do with
It's still the chain.
Is it
it's
like,
the wrong chain, but
is it to do with the chain and bar getting hot?
using semi chisel, so you're going to get a lot of this.
Yeah, okay.
And also, I need to peen my bar because it's wobbling in the chain.
A little bit more.
So when it gets a bit of pressure on it, it goes.
Yeah.
And it just that. But I have to bleep that.
What?
Swearing.
You.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to avoid it.
I'm terrible for it. You know how much crap I have to edit out of my videos because of that?
Yeah.
Just swear.
I imagine you're way
I'm
worse
terrible
than I am.
for it.
Hey, but running the business.
Oh God.
Running a business, you pick up on it and you stop yourself from doing it.
Yeah, see, but it's different because it's just a camera.
Yeah.
Like I know there's people watching, but my brain doesn't.
Yeah.
When I'm around other people, naturally my body just goes, "Yep, don't swear."
Yeah.
But when I'm by myself, it's F this, F that, F that. You know.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Yeah.
I gotta put a cap on it, but I'm too used to it.
It's hard to do. Just had a thought.
Yeah.
I wonder if, you know how I'm just sort of peeling it apart as you go?
Yeah.
If I keep it just that little bit tighter, it may stop your bar from trying to wiggle. I don't know if that will help at all, but
It's when the, how do I explain it?
if we allow just that
It's
little
when
bit.
it pinches, as it's pinching, it's the backside because it's not cutting.
Yeah,
It's free flapping.
that's what I was thinking. If I can keep it a little bit tighter on it.
True.
It may
Stop it.
Stop it from flapping as much.
Yeah, we'll give that a go.
Just try and keep it that little bit tighter.
It's worth having a go.
Yeah. I just had a random thought. I was like, it might work, it may not.
Yeah. It could also be that my chain's getting a bit loose.
Yeah. Yeah, see that one there's not
Not
even
great.
from the start. That's alright, we'll get there.
Exactly. It's all trial and error.
Bloody oath it is.
Bloody nice looking slab though.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful slab.
That doesn't break off. Look at the bark right through.
Yeah, right through the middle of it.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. So that's one you'd lacquer up and you'd use as like a
floating shelf.
yeah, like on top of your fireplace and that.
Yeah. That would look good.
That would look really good. Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, just take all that
Crap out of there, yeah.
out of it. The only thing is it does come all the way through.
Yeah.
We want to put those logs over to the shallow side if we can.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah, that'd be smart. Whatever our chips like.
Chippy? You won't taste it.
Real thin.
$10 to eat it.
You give me $10.
I haven't got $10 on me though.
Ah. I'm not falling for that, mate.
Chuck's the worst shit.
I'm not falling for that.
Haven't you done that once before at work?
Eh?
Didn't you do that something like that once before at work?
Yeah. Someone offered me $50, but they didn't have the $50, so I said, no, not having it.
What was it for? Eating a bug or something, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I think.
I think it was.
Something like that.
Or it was letting something bite me, or I can't remember what it was. Oh, it was a toe biter.
Was it? Yeah, one of the giant water bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said take your shoe off and let it bite you on the toe, and I
Yeah.
said, oh, give me $50. And you said, I don't have $50 on me. I said, well, you then.
Yeah, there you go again.
Yeah, I know I'm bad.
Might just move that.
Imagine if the poor buggers have to listen to me at work.
Move that out a little bit just to the end of it. Just so I've got that knot coming out of it.
Yeah, that's good. Just wiggle it until you get it. Wiggle your block until you get it pretty stable.
Yeah, that's fairly good there. I think just that one.
Just chuck a
Block in there.
chuck some wedges in it.
Yeah, you saw my cut earlier.
Oh, prepared earlier. I reckon we'll leave the last bit as a slab back, as a bench seat,
Yeah, because you're only going to
because it'll be about that thick.
you got another 55 coming off it.
Yeah.
So this end here, you're going to end up with about 125 on the bottom side.
Yep.
Right.
About there.
Yeah.
Right, so then what we'll do is we'll cut it off right here, because that's where it gets thicker. Because then that'll also be a good sized bench seat.
We'll just rip that as it is and then worry about chopping them down.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll try and keep it a little bit tighter on it this time.
Yeah.
And we'll see how it goes. If not, we know for the next one.
Yeah, exactly.
Does look a lot better in places.
Does it?
Yep. Just from what
It's
I
just
can see.
getting real hard to push. I think it's blunt.
Yeah.
I think in that crappy stuff, I reckon we get some rocks or something.
You'll end up with a lot of dirt.
We'll have a smoke and a drink and.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's turned out a lot nicer.
Oh yeah.
So it's just mean that like it
We're
must stop.
taking too much.
I'm gapping it out too much and allowing
And
the chain
See, if I pin the bar,
tighten it up
it'd
that
fix
bit more.
that.
Yep. That's a hell of a lot better.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer.
Like
That's
this-
that's
look at this
really
section
beautiful,
here.
Danny. Look at this.
No, that yeah.
The big swirl.
Just as I was looking, who cut that big knot off the bottom.
How nice is that?
That does look good. So yeah, see the different cut quality.
Yeah.
You know, and then
Keep
here's
it a bit tighter, yeah.
there's somewhere I've just sort of jammed wedges in.
Yeah.
And was that where the
That's also where I got stuck. I couldn't push it.
was that where the logs were rolling over that little bit too?
Yeah. I couldn't get it to go.
I did grab
that's
grab
beautiful.
grab the board just to try and hold it.
Yeah. That's pretty slab.
That's a lot better cut quality.
Yeah. Takes a bit, but
Yeah.
then in that, we'll just cut it off.
Yeah, you still
It's a bit thin actually.
bit thin there, yeah. I said you gotta get.
Nah, it's too thin.
Yeah.
What you could do though, cut it off right here, plane that face down, you got a nice cut board.
True that.
That's a pretty cut board.
Not a very big one.
Don't need a big one, cheese platter.
How close was it at 125 wide on the end? Oh, 140.
Pretty close, considering.
Not a bad guesstimation.
You ain't no mathematician, mate.